Hey everybody, so in today's video, we're gonna be asking you what your doo-doo code is, cause, well, we don't know what it is. I wanna have a tour of your island, and just type in your doo-doo comments down below. Oh, yep, and get Orville. Yeah, look. I'm just fiddling with the buttons. I'm gonna say that to him. I'm just gonna walk around saying that. So yeah. Yeah, that's all I wanted. Yeah, so hope you had a good weekend. And see ya.